Job servicing or affiliate marketing? Which one is better? Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is May, and on this channel I aim to help online entrepreneurs grow their online business and create a massive online income. So if you are new here, do consider subscribing to my channel and click the little bell so that you won't miss any of my future videos. In today's video, I'm going to compare job servicing and affiliate marketing. Which one is better, which is more profitable, which one is more scalable. Make sure that you stay till the end to find out which online business model is more suitable for you. Job servicing and affiliate marketing can be very similar in many ways. Many of us are often confused between these two online business models because both business models do not require you as the seller to do the job. One is based on referral business and another one is based on outsourcing. Even the definition of both business models are very similar. So what is job servicing? Job servicing is an online business that promotes digital services, but the job is being outsourced to a freelancer. It is also known as service arbitrage. A job servicer will be a middleman. As for affiliate marketing, it involves promoting other people's products. Every time someone buys those products using your link, you get a certain percentage of the commission. The way it works is that you join the affiliate program of a particular product and start promoting it through different channels. From both descriptions, we notice that you as a seller do not need to do the job. Hence, it is very confusing to many of us between both of these business models. However, I realize that both business models have very big difference in terms of pros and cons, and that is what I'm going to do today. I'll be laying out the pros and cons for job servicing as well as affiliate marketing. Let us start with job servicing pros. So job servicing is a very low risk business model. It has very high profit and you get to build your own branding. With job servicing, you can also have a better control of the business. And lastly, job servicing gives you recurring income. So clients can sign retainer package from you. These are a few main pros for doing job servicing. As for the job servicing cons, I have two cons for you. The first one is job servicing need to put in more time and more effort when dealing with clients because job servicer is a project manager. So as a project manager, we need to oversee the whole project. Hence, there will be a lot of communications between your freelancer as well as communications with your clients. The second con for job servicing business is that you need to have a good customer service. Being a job servicer, you need to handle a lot of clients' inquiries and you need to have a lot of communications with your clients. Some people feel that this is a con because some people do not like to have any interaction with clients. Now let us see what are the affiliate marketing pros. For affiliate marketing, it is also a low risk business because we do not need to have very high capital in order for us to start the affiliate marketing business. Secondly, you do not need to create your own products or services. Affiliate marketing is also ideal for passive income. As an affiliate marketer, all we need to do is to join an affiliate program and the merchant will actually provide you with an affiliate link. So what we need to do is to prompt your audience or your customers to click on the link to make a purchase. So if you have a big following on certain topic, affiliate marketing is ideal for you because it can generate you passive income. The last and the best affiliate marketing pros is there is no customer support to worry about. Now let's see what are the affiliate marketing cons. The biggest con that I feel about affiliate marketing is that it only can make a small percentage of the sale, so it is not so profitable. Next, you won't get to have your own branding. Instead, you are actually promoting other people's brand. The third con is there's no control of the business. Once you as an affiliate marketer refer the products to your customer, we wouldn't know how good are the products after the referral. And we also can't control the quality of the products. The next con is affiliate marketing need more time to get sales. The fifth affiliate marketing con is merchants may not pay on time. Next, as an affiliate marketer, you need to keep track of your sales on different platforms. So I feel that this is something a bit tedious to do. If we sign up for 10 different types of affiliate program, we need to keep track of all our sales on 10 different platforms. And finally, the last affiliate marketing con is there won't be any recurring income. Most merchants only offer one-time commission, so you lose a chance of a recurring income client. Even for some subscription-based merchants, you as an affiliate marketer could not get a cut from the monthly subscription fees. I have divided business features into 5 different categories, and I will select which business model best fits into the category. For startup capital, I will choose affiliate marketing because it involves zero capital. For cost, I will choose job servicing because it is low cost to maintain a job servicing business. And looking at it being at a higher profit, my costs are much more manageable. At times, affiliate marketing can be very costly because what we are promoting is others people's brand, and we do not have a credibility for that particular product. Hence, there will be some marketing costs involved, and that is the reason why I did not choose affiliate marketing for this category. Next, for profitability, I will definitely choose job servicing because the job servicing profit is very high. Most of the time, my profit margin is minimum 50% and above. For scalability, I will also choose job servicing because I get to build my own brand, and with my own brand, I can easily scale up this online business. And the last category, as a full-time career or income, I will also choose job servicing. Job servicing is a full-fledged business model. It is highly scalable and is very profitable. You can do affiliate marketing together with job servicing because affiliate marketing is a good source of passive income. So if you are looking for a side income, you can consider doing affiliate marketing. I am doing both at the same time, but my main business is still doing job servicing. Some of my example of doing affiliate marketing is on my YouTube channel. Sometimes when I encounter some programs or some websites, some apps that is very useful, I will share this affiliate link to my audience. If my audience like my recommendation, they will purchase it through my affiliate link. I hope that you are more clear between job servicing and affiliate marketing. Which one do you think is better for you? Let me know in the comment section below, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye bye!